Hey there! Welcome to our latest video update, where we're thrilled to introduce Giftpack's revolutionary Zapier Triggers, designed to streamline your data manipulation and automation needs within the Zapier platform. Let's dive right in. We've rolled out a dedicated Giftpack Triggers set. Simply search for Giftpack in the Trigger search bar to access the latest version, 2.0.3. This ongoing commitment to upgrades ensures optimal functionality and a smoother integration experience for our automation-seeking customers. All our updated triggers operate instantaneously, meaning any relevant event automatically sparks off subsequent actions within your Zapier workflows. Let's delve into some key updates. Campaign Giftee updated. Stay in the loop with any Giftee status changes. From acceptance and shipment to reviews, we push this crucial data directly to your triggers. Another noteworthy addition is the credit purchase trigger. This allows you to automate workflows based on credit purchases within your Giftpack account. No more manual checks or top-ups. Set it up and let the workflows handle it, ensuring you never run out of credits during critical automation processes. Unveils paid trigger will help you navigate and monitor the paid transactions that occurred under your account. Marketplace order updated. Optimize your workflow with real-time notifications about marketplace orders. Whether it's an email opened, a claimed gift, or a received review, Zapier bridges the gap with other platforms like Excel sheets or review systems. New campaign Giftee review. Capture the full picture with review triggers. Ratings, tags, and even media content seamlessly flow into your chosen platform, thanks to Zapier's powerful integration. New invoice is the trigger designed to enhance your administrative capabilities. This trigger allows you to seamlessly integrate and automate workflows related to new invoices within your Giftpack account. From tracking payments to maintaining a meticulous record, this trigger ensures you stay in control of your financial operations effortlessly. Beyond the core features, we've expanded our trigger library to cover various administrative tasks. New marketplace order. Trigger automations as soon as a new order is placed. New recipients and groups. Streamline workflows with triggers for adding new recipients and recipient groups. New user invitations. Manage user onboarding effortlessly with triggers for new user invitations. Recipient and group information updates. Stay on top of changes with triggers for updated recipient information and recipient group modifications. That's all for now. With this comprehensive suite of triggers, we provide the ultimate bridge for connecting Giftpack to any third-party platform on Zapier. Thank you for exploring these exciting enhancements with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.